What's good? Just tell me Touge. It's the annual schmauser. Added to this. I don't know why, but this is just the best thing ever. Look how good the bonnet is when you open it. A little bit of a flex in it, which is G. Still good. You can fit so much disappointment in this car. It's basically just a bull bar with wheels, and I can't see much more. But whatever.
Never get the speed holes.
It's a good time. There's plenty of speed holes and stuff happening. There's a speed hole here. Ultimate weight reduction there. This is like stripping a car, but you don't actually strip it, it just falls apart. It's much quicker, much more convenient, and much less work. We're in Upull again. I don't really know what we're here for. I basically just came because you invited me.
Yeah, pretty much.
You're just like, I'm gonna get your pause out, alright? I guess I can. Can fit it into my busy schedule. So we can go find something. I don't know, we can find a map sensor or some rubbish. So hang 10, because we're gonna go walk, and it's really inconvenient to do that with this. So you wait there and we'll go find something, and I'm sure we'll do something dumb. Look at his face, he's gonna do something dumb. He is. Of course. The guy's running. Run, Forrest, run!
Fuck.
It's a weird day, alright? Long weekends. What can I say? We've got a map sensor somewhere in here. You found it, champ? You got this, man. You got this. Here for emotional support.
It's up there, don't touch my ass.
You enjoyed it, you pushed back. You saw that, guys. Don't judge him on the internet. Schmauser, spelt Z-W-A-R-T-S.
You fuckers.
What a flex. Changing the language to suit himself. Wow, chicka wow wow.
Fuck off, would you?
Armpit cam. So we're taking this ultra cool extra horn, and Daniel's gonna wire it in so when he toots this horn it plays jingles.
How the fuck am I gonna go there?
He's done it. We're not taking the manifold off, boys. No messing around. Look at him go.
That'll do.
To ensure long-term durability of your Honda, make sure you use genuine Honda lubricants. Yep, looks genuine to me. In fact, best comment on this video, I'll send you this sticker. Merry Christmas. 14 sleeps till Christmas, Daniel. Just kidding, that's 14 Sundays.
I mean, one sleep.
Yeah, Rockstar Energy, keep you going till Christmas in October. So moving on, what do we have, Daniel? We now have a plug for it.
Hey. Another one.
We're moving up in the world, boys. So we can splice that bad boy in. But in the meantime, I got one for you. This yellow EG's had an interesting roll. This is not meant to be like finger deep. That's not ideal. But then check out the other side. Bloody hell. Just been sliding on the glass. This one's had a rough life. Oh man, check those tail lights though. God damn. Sick 15-inch Honda wheel. Oh, that's 3. What is this? Distractions are great. Oh, these are lightweight as. What the hell is this? I don't know what this is, but dude, check the weight on this.
Genuine rotors.
Dude, it's light. It's light as.
Yeah, genuine rotors.
That's awesome. If you want weird random ones. Oh, actually, I remember how to say Honda Club. If you ever see this, comment and tell us what happened. Because bloody hell.
Wow.
Still good though. Door still operates. It's good, alright.
I mean,
wow, you had it on 200,000. She's still brand new. What are you doing, champ?
obviously the best tail lights you've ever put on a suit.
Oh, you love them too?
They're great. They're my favourite.
Mint condish. Yeah.
Like on their roof, kind of like.
Is this? Do you reckon this is a Mount Lofty here?
Ooh.
They've done the old Mount Lofty Rollo.
I reckon. Hang on. Let's investigate the dirt. Yep, definitely.
What's Daddy getting now? Dad, what's this?
Why do they always put these in the most fucked up spot?
What are we getting, Daniel?
Air temp sensor.
Oh,
Maybe not that one.
I got it, Australia. The air temp is hot, always. Doesn't change.
It's always hot air coming out of your mouth.
Oh yeah, honey. Heavy bread. It's kind of like Hermione Granger. You don't know how deep the bag is. His arm just keeps going in and more stuff comes out.
The words.
The classic Southerner no comment. Believe it or not, this is Daniel's first time using tools. Wow, chicka wow wow.
Fuck off, would you?
I'm gonna do something. I don't know why. I don't need to. But we're here now, so I guess we'll give anything a red hot go. I'm gonna attempt to take a filler bolt out with a long spanner, one-handed, in a real awkward manner. Oh, I don't think their intake button on. And then you just give it one of these. Oh, that one cracked. That is how the bolt should come out. However, Tony's is just not about that. So thank you to whoever did this one and didn't Loctite it and cross-set it in or something. Much appreciated. Nice. Struggling there, champ. What's going on?
They're never fun.
They're never fun.
Never fun.
Never fun.
No fun.
Wow, chicka wow wow.
Fuck off, would you?
Done some body work. Daniel's done the fender roll.
Yep.
Rolled out the way. I'll just flip them
Extra
on it.
rooms.
Look how much space you got. You know, if you crash your Honda, you can make so much space. Oh, look at the tricep.
So much room.
So strong.
Good loom, one use.
New loom, never used. I know what I got. It's actually a pretty clean Honda engine bay as things go.
It's always good when you use these stickers. All the factory
Genuine. He's got to wash his hands, it's precious.
stickers. Fuck off. No, it's different.
Information. The best part is Daniel can't read, so he doesn't know if they're different anyway. Daniel's making the window secure again because he removed it. And that, my friends, is how you use the manual door stop window stopper. Now sold at smousertech.com.au. That's what Daniel's doing. He's tearing something apart. Deep in thought. Not sure what about, neither is he, but here we go.
Just thinking.
Just thinking about your strawberry kisses. Good old Nikki Webster. The historic moment on the channel. Daniel's realised what this is. Do you remember the 5 for sale posts?
6? I think.
It was amazing.
CD5.
CD5 with a house paint job. Still good. It's not actually that stripped, which is kind of weird.
It's real rusty.
Still good, still good. It was
Oh.
untreated, a lot of it's untreated. So as soon as it gets the elements on it, it gets rusty.
Fucking hell.
Why would you use house paint? Dude, come around here, look at this.
She's icy, boys.
Yep.
Shout outs to you, Rhonda. We're gonna leave this now and go do other things.
Hang on. I think Carl's been at it again. God damn it, Kyle.
This ain't no gyprock drywall, boys.
All their grain storage in the back.
Oh yeah, nice.
The grain. Fuck.
Keep your grains in your back seat. It'll keep it fresh. But anyway, we're gonna leave now. Daniel hopes you have a really nice day. Tell him on this video you think Daniel's a big old boy. Like it if you like stupid things. Comment if Daniel's a big boy. And subscribe if you like watching us do really dumb things, which is literally everything we do at this point. But yeah, alright.
Peace. Peace.